Hello and welcome to this short demonstration of the Sales Analysis app developed by Sysco Software Solutions for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. The Sales Analysis app was designed to create one table that holds details for posted sales invoices and posted sales credits. With this one table, the user can either export the information into Excel and create reports with different filters, or use Power BI to analyse the data for a more visual representation. So how does it work? Let's take a look at the table itself. The Sales Analysis History table holds the item details from both invoices and credits, along with other fields taken from the calendar setup, customer and item card. The table can be updated manually or updated periodically using the job queue. A reset option is also available, which allows all records to be deleted, and the update will then repopulate all posted sales invoices and posted sales credits. Every time the update routine runs, it only inserts new transactions. There are a couple of extra settings on the sales and receivables setup, and this can affect the information that you see in the Sales Analysis table. If GL account lines should also be included, then the slider highlighted should be activated. There may also be costs that are applied to a posted sales invoice, so using recalculate costs and setting a period to look back at will make sure that these are reflected on the Sales Analysis table, as this then updates the margin. In summary, the collection of data in one table allows the sales data to be examined by users and gain insights into their sales trends. On a final note, thanks for listening, and for more information on this or any of our other apps, please visit our website at www.sysco-software.com.